Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what many consider the best black vintage backpack available. The YALUNDISI Vintage Backpack Travel Laptop Backpack. If you're searching for a backpack that effortlessly blends style, functionality, and durability, this one might just be the perfect fit for you. Right from the start, the YALUNDISI backpack impresses with its classic vintage design that suits both men and women. Its black color adds a timeless appeal, making it versatile enough for work, school, or travel. Crafted from high-density, water-repellent nylon fabric, this backpack ensures your belongings stay protected even in less than ideal weather conditions. Despite its solid build, it remains lightweight, making it comfortable for everyday use. One of the standout features of this backpack is its well-thought-out storage capacity. It has a dedicated laptop compartment that fits laptops up to 15.6 inches, including MacBook models of 13, 14, and 15 inches. This compartment is padded to safeguard your device during transit. Beyond the laptop space, there is a spacious main packing compartment that can easily hold your daily essentials, electronics, books, and more. The front compartment offers organized pockets for smaller items like pens, keys, and wallets, helping you keep everything neat and easy to find. On both sides, elasticized fabric pockets expand to hold water bottles or compact umbrellas securely. A modern convenience incorporated into this vintage-style backpack is the built-in USB charging port. The external port connects to a charging cable inside, allowing you to charge your phone on the go without fumbling inside your bag. Keep in mind, though, the backpack does not have a power source itself. You'll need to connect your own power bank inside to make use of this feature. Additionally, there is a headphone jack for convenient hands-free music listening while walking. Travelers will appreciate the luggage strap on the back of the backpack, which allows you to easily slide the bag over the handle of a suitcase. This feature makes airport navigation and travel much smoother, reducing the strain on your shoulders when you're moving through busy terminals. Comfort is not overlooked either. The backpack features two curved padded shoulder straps designed to reduce pressure and distribute weight evenly. This ergonomic design makes it suitable for long periods of wear whether you're commuting, walking across campus, or on a casual weekend getaway. With dimensions of 18 by 12 by 5 inches and weighing just under 2 pounds, this backpack strikes a great balance between size and portability. It fits easily under airplane seats and complies with many airline carry-on restrictions, making it a reliable travel companion. In summary, the YALUNDISI Vintage Backpack Travel Laptop Backpack combines a vintage aesthetic with practical features designed for the modern user. Its durable, water-resistant materials, multiple compartments, USB charging capability, and comfortable carrying options make it a highly functional choice. Whether you are a student, professional, or frequent traveler, this backpack is built to meet your everyday needs without sacrificing style. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in a backpack that brings together classic looks and smart functionality, the YALUNDISI Vintage Backpack is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews and insights. See you in the next video.